Okay, 3.1 our national heritage. Hamra राष्ट्रिय सम्पदाहरु national heritage. The UNESCO has enlisted various important sites and monuments from Nepal into the World Heritage list. From Nepal, 10 such sites are included in World Heritage list. The joint effort of government and local people is vital for the preservation of such heritage since they reflect our culture, history, art, nature and glory. At the same time, they carry economic importance too. What are national heritage are? National heritage भनेको के हो? The monuments or sites that are culturally, religiously, historically and naturally important. Remember here, the area which are culturally, religiously, historically and naturally important. यी चार कुराबाट इम्पोर्टेन्स भयो. कल्चरलमा सांस्कृतिक, धार्मिक, ऐतिहासिक र प्राकृतिक रूपमा एकदमै महत्त्व राख्ने इम्पोर्टेन्स भएका त्यस्ता ठाउँलाई त्यस्ता साइटहरूलाई चाहिँ नेशनल हेरिटेज भनेर भनेको छ. They have passed from one generation to another. Such sites, such for example culture, one generation to another generation it passed. Nepal is very rich in heritage due to its variation. In physical features, Nepal is diverse country in physical features, climatic condition and biodiversity. Climatic condition र biodiversity को आधारमा चाहिँ हामीले विभिन्न छ. सो नेपाल चाहिँ धेरै रिच छ. The multicultural, multilingual and multi-ethnic features of it also have enriched heritage in Nepal. Multi-ethnic feature. Different caste people are residing here. Multilingual means different languages spoken people are living here. So multicultural, people follow different cultures. Due to this multicultural, multilingual and multi-ethnic features, Nepal became diverse country. So it also have enriched heritage in Nepal. These heritage are the true assets or properties and such heritage, natural, cultural, historical, religious. Such heritage are, what are they? They are our assets, they are our properties and pride and identity of nation. हैन त्यस्ता चीजहरु चाहिँ के हुन्छन् त एउटा कुनै पनि देशका हैन प्राइड हुन्छन्. कुनै पनि देशका चाहिँ तिनीहरु हैन प्राइड, गर्वका र परिचयको विषय गर्नुपर्छ. हियर क्लासिफिकेसन अफ हेरिटेज हैन अकॉर्डिंग टु द यूनेस्को अनुसार चाहिँ हेरिटेज आर ब्रोडली दे आर क्लासिफाइड इन्टु 3 different types. They are natural heritage, cultural heritage, digital heritage. Okay, remember here, natural heritage means the natural heritage refers. What are the natural heritage? Let's study here. Natural heritage, they refers to components of natural environment. We all know that natural heritage भन्ने बित्तिकै the components of natural environment that have aesthetic, historic, scientific and social significance. Natural heritage or natural environment भएका चीजहरु चाहिँ के छ त aesthetic, historical, scientific and social significance. For example, mountains, rivers, scenery, forests, wildlife, etc. These all comes under the natural heritage. These all are under the natural heritage. Mountains, rivers, scenery, forests, wildlife. Other resources which are made by nature and the natural things, they come under natural heritage. Next one is cultural heritage. Cultural means the cultural heritage refer to those sites, objects and intangible things. The areas, sites or objects which have historical, aesthetic or artistic, archaeological, scientific, ethnological, anthropological, etc. values to groups and individuals. Here, cultural heritage means the resources, the heritage which refers the sites, जहाँ के हुन्छ जस्तै चाहिँ ऐतिहासिक देखि साइन्टिफिक देखि लिएर डिफरेन्ट के गर्छ त कुनै पनि देशको चाहिँ एउटा कल्चरल सांस्कृतिक कुराहरूलाई झल्काउँछ भने त्यो सबै चाहिँ कल्चरल हेरिटेजमा पर्छ. सो For example, temple, mosque, stupa, church, our language, literature, art, costumes, and way of life. These are some example of cultural heritage which are transferred from one generation to another generation. Next one is digital heritage. Digital heritage also latest thing. Type digital heritage is made of computer-based material of enduring that should be kept for future generation. Right? Digital heritage is made of computer-based material, digitalized material. They are digital heritage is made of the made of the computer-based heritage of enduring that should be kept for future generation. अब future generation लागि चाहिँ हैन बचाइन्छ भने त्यसलाई हामी चाहिँ के भन्छौं त डिजिटल अब डिजिटलाइज भएका चाहिँ रिसोर्सेसहरु पनि हुन्छन्. Okay, next one is World Heritage Site. Our World Heritage Site here. Let's see here. UNESCO, an agency of UNO, has included 4 domains or area from Nepal into World Heritage Site. From Nepal को साइडबाट 4वटा क्षेत्रलाई चाहिँ World Heritage Site मा listed गरेको छ. Among them, 2 are cultural, right? These 2 are cultural heritage, other 2 are natural heritage. Remember here. Within the 2 resources, one is the Kathmandu Valley and Lumbini. This is cultural, these 2 are cultural heritage, other 2 are Sagarmatha National Park and National Park. Sagarmatha National Park and Chittor National Park, these are natural resources or natural heritage. Remember here. These are natural resources. And inside the Kathmandu Valley, Kathmandu region, there are other 7 sites. Inside the Kathmandu Valley, there are other 7 sites are there. Whereas each of the other stands solo or alone, making the sites in the totality. It means totally there are 10 religious sites and cultural sites. They are included in World Heritage Site. To be part of the World Heritage Site, in matter of immense pride, it exposes the site in the international arena. It is therefore imperative on our part what we conserve and protect them. Our duty is that we should preserve and conserve such natural resources, right? If we won't preserve such natural and cultural heritage, that may not help know the Nepal in the world. They expand our that identity in the world. विश्वमा चाहिँ हाम्रो आइडेन्टिटी चाहिँ के गराउँछ त बढाउन अहिले सहयोग गर्छ. So that they stand making the sites लाई चाहिँ अब राखेको छ के हुन् त. Let's discuss now. Okay, among them one is Pashupatinath temple site. Okay, Pashupatinath temple site, please. I request Ayusha, read this.
Situated on the bank of the Bagmati in Kathmandu, the Pashupati area is a very holy place of Hindus in Nepal and abroad. It includes Pashupatinath temple, Aregat, Sedimation bank, electric sedimentarium, Divpatan, Jai Bageshwari, Gauri Ghat, Kutumbahal, Gausahal, Pingalstan, Pingalstan, and the area around the Sliss Mantak forest. The temple is built in pagoda style with the golden roof. There are 492 temples, science place of pilgrim, etc., Chaitas, etc., and about 1,000 siblings in ancient area. Architecture, sculpture, and carving area very attractive. The possible development trust works to preserve and promote this area. It was included in the World Heritage Sites in 1979 AD.
Thank you. Thank you, Aisha. Pashupatinath temple site. We just discussed above that. There are especially four areas are included in World Heritage Site from Nepal. Among them, 2 are cultural heritage and other two are natural heritage. Well, among the two cultural heritage, one is Kathmandu Valley region, another is Lumbini area, Lumbini region. So in the Kathmandu region, there are other 7 different places which are included in Old Heritage Site. Among them, Pashupatinath temple is one. So here Pashupatinath temple's short description is given here. It is situated in the bank of Bagmati river. हैन बागमती नदीको छेउमा छ हैन its Pashupati area is very holy place of Hindus in Nepal and abroad. The people who followed Hinduism, this place is very much holy place. It includes Pashupatinath temple, Aryaghat, Devpatan, Jai Bageshwari, Gauri Ghat, Kutumbahal, Gausala, Pingala Sthan, and the area around the Silismantak forest. This is the area which is situated in Pashupatinath area, and this area is included in, right? The Pashupatinath temple is built in the pagoda style with golden roof. There are about 492 temples, shrines, places of pilgrims, chaites, etc. and about 1000 Shivalingas in this area. Ancient art, architectures, sculptures and carvings are very attractive. The Pashupati Development Trust works to preserve and promote this area. It was included in the Old Heritage Site in 1979 AD. यो चाहिँ 1979 मा Old Heritage Site मा चाहिँ लिस्टेड गएको थियो. अब यो पशुपति टेम्पल साइट पनि एउटा के रहेछ त होली प्लेस रहेछ भनेर हामी बुझ्यौ हैन. केही सोध्नु छ केही भन्नु छ यसमा छैन? ओके ल कपिल अधिकारी नेक्स्ट चागुनारायण टेम्पल साइट. प्लिज कपिल, वुड यु माइन्ड रिडिङ इट? Kapil.
Temple site. This temple area lies on the hilltop in the north. Being King Mahaturi, example beautiful statue is important because of inspiration with the venue, Satras and festival with 6 other sites. The Changunarayan also include the list of the old heritage age and unique cultural site. 2980, its dangerous age was also badly taken by the Queen of Mine 2015. The reconstruction of damage started in beginning of 2017.
Okay, thank you. Chagunarayan temple site. This is also another site which is located in Kathmandu Valley and listed in Old Heritage Site. This temple area lies in the hilltop in the north of the Bhaktapur. It is said to have been built by Litsivi King Mandev. It is said that this Chagunarayan temple is built by King Mandev in 5th century. This is a best example of pagoda style, right? There are beautiful idols and statue of birds and animals at the entrance. This site is important because of ancient inscription on stone, wood and metal. It is a venue of some jatra and festivals. Along with 6 other cultural sites of the Kathmandu Valley, Chagunarayan was also included in the list of the Old Heritage Sites as a unified cultural site in 1979 AD. It remained dangerous as it was also badly shaken by earthquake in 2015. The reconstruction of the damage just started in the beginning of 2017. भनौँ मतलब चागुनारायण टेम्पल पनि एउटा चाहिँ महत्त्वपूर्ण एरिया हो हैन, रिलिजियस र हिस्ट्रिकल एरिया भएको छ र यो टेम्पलमा हैन 1989 मा नै यसलाई 1979 मा चाहिँ यसलाई के गरियो ओल्ड हेरिटेज साइटमा चाहिँ लिस्टेड गरियो. यो यहाँबाट धेरै जात्राहरू काठमाडौँ भ्यालीका धेरै जात्रा र फेस्टिभलहरू चाहिँ यहीँबाट नै सुरु हुन्छन् र यो चाहिँ 2072 सालको भूकम्पले ध्वस्त बनायो र यसको 2074 सालबाट चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट गर्न थालेको छ। ल आजलाई चाहिँ यति गरौँ है त। ल सबैलाई नमस्ते है त।